Frankenstein here. We are sitting in the car. We are outside Festival Hall and we're here to see Alter Bridge, and we just had, we had a meet and greet, and there's a bit of a story behind the meet and greet today. So I'll tell you the story, what happened. So I was queuing up to get a meet and greet, get my pass for the meet and greet, and because Tim was standing next to me, they gave him a pass as well, and he wasn't really supposed to get one, but they were nice enough to give one anyway. And yeah, so we ended up both going in, and we got to see Soundcheck. They played, I don't know, 3 or 4 songs. Tim's being real antisocial. Hi.
Yeah, it's like 4 songs.
Yeah, they played, I think it was like 4 songs. And then after that, I think Tremonti was doing like part of a guitar clinic. Something about, I think it got pushed back or something. I don't know. But anyway, after the sound check, we all had to line up again. And we went down into one of the rooms, and they did the signing, and then you kind of queued up again and you got to have your photo with them. And it was really great. Like, they were all super nice. Brian Marshall, I feel like he was, like, it wasn't a bad thing, but I feel like he was silently judging me on my top. I don't know if you can see, but I'm wearing a Bowie tiger top. And he just looked at it, and I'm like, what? It's just a Bowie tiger top. I don't know. Anyway, and then, so we kind of met Flip and Brian Marshall, and then next in line was Tremonti, and then it was Miles Kennedy, so he was last. And it was just, oh man, like, I fangirled. I'm not gonna lie, I had the biggest fangirl moment, and it was really nice. It was super good. So Tremonti, when I was getting signed, because we got these signed, I will just show you. Oh, it's upside down. There you go. I got that signed. Tim got his pass signed, but I was getting the photo signed by Miles, and Mark turned to him and he was like, "Check out her earrings." They're like, I don't even remember what he said because I was just dead. But I'm wearing they're Creepsville earrings, and they're like inverted crosses with pentagrams on them. And yeah, Mark and Miles really, really liked it. And then, yeah, Miles was pretty much just saying like how much he loved it, and I just melted. I just fangirled, which was so sad, but I did. But yeah, it was really good. And then we had our photos done. And now we're just waiting. So we get early entry. Oh, that's so much better. Now I look like a ghost. Yeah, so we get early entry into the venue. So we've got early entry at 6:45. And then I think support band goes on. Oh my god, the support band goes on. That's terrible. I look like a scary campfire girl. I don't know. Anyway, the support band goes on at, 7:45. Yeah. And then Alter Bridge come on at 9 o'clock. So we're just waiting to go in. I think it's 6:45 now. Yeah. People are still waiting outside, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's what we're doing. It's been so good. I just fangirled the whole time afterwards. I was a mess, wasn't I?
Yes, you were.
It was so nice. And yeah, so I guess I can tick that off my bucket list now. I got to meet Alter Bridge, so that was super cool. But yeah, so we're just waiting, and I will put in I took some footage from soundcheck. I'm really struggling to talk today. I don't know what's going on, probably because I had a meltdown. I'm so sad. Yeah, I took some footage from soundcheck, so I'll probably splice that in at the end of this. But yeah, I just wanted to check in and vlog a little bit about, you know, waiting for Alter Bridge and meeting Alter Bridge. So, anything else? That's it. Tim got to shake all the hands. I don't know why I didn't do it. Like, I just wasn't thinking. I just didn't know. Tim got his pass. Actually, do you want to, can you grab the pass? So these are the VIP laminates that we got, but Tim got his signed, so yay! Super cool. But yeah, so we're probably going to go and head inside now and get our little seats. So yeah, I guess I'll leave it at that. So until next time, you guys, I'm Nattie Frankenstein. That's Tim. Yay! We'll see you later.